Here's an insight I picked up from the European Conference on Positive Psychology on AI coaching. There was a paper last year by Nicky Terblanche, fantastic researcher. Anyway, he talked about in this paper about the working alliance of the coach with an AI coach with a client. As coaches know, the working alliance, the relationship between coach and client, is the number one driver of success for coaching and effectiveness. And with AI coaching, it's really tricky to get that right because we relate differently to an AI than we would relate to a human. So what's been argued here, and Nicky wasn't at the conference, but somebody cited his paper, is that a mediator of that effect, so something that really influences it, is our level of technology acceptance. And with every younger generation, technology acceptance is higher and higher and higher. So it makes a lot of sense to me that somebody who's in their early 20s will have a very different relationship with an AI technology that coaches them than somebody who's in their 40s and 50s or 60s. And so the more technology acceptance is there, the better the working alliance is and the more effective the coaching is. So I think there's a whole generation coming up that will benefit from AI coaching so much more than older generations. And it still leaves questions open about the quality of AI, but there's definitely a lot to think about there. So yeah, curious about your thoughts. I know there's always very critical voices in when it comes to AI coaching, but that's definitely something, a little nugget I took away that I wanted to share.